Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P10 Lite, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. So let's tap on them. And here we have to enter the section Security and Privacy. Now let's tap on More and scroll down to localize the credential search section. Now let's simply tap on Clear Credentials. Of course, your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just confirm it with OK. And for some reason, we do not have any information that we just successfully removed credentials, but basically no worries, for sure they has been removed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.